Let's start with what we will need to conduct a Storyply session. Storyply provides a toolkit that is made up of three main components. First, there's a set of templates to guide you through the process by visually organizing your efforts and creative output. There are 9 templates in total. Then, there are 2 decks of pictures to ignite your imagination. One comes ready-made with the toolkit, and the other needs to be prepared by the participating team before the workshop. Lastly, a reference source called Storyply Tips to ground your approach with the help of research and best practices. It's a collection of useful tips from design thinking and story crafting disciplines. You will need a meeting room with enough wall space to hang the templates in the following fashion. Bring lots of sticky papers, markers, and pens. Now, let's go through the steps one by one, and I'll explain how they work on our case project. Let's first take a look at the project brief. In a nutshell, our client wants to seize an opportunity they saw in mobile industry, which is basically a lack of personalized local content in the domain of mobile applications for travelers. Although there are a great number of utilitarian apps that connects you to all kinds of services, from their point of view, none of those can connect you to the soul of the city. So in this specific workshop, we will help them to explore that idea.